Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel leelawebdev. In this video, we will see how we can use this reflogs concept in the real-time project. Now, what I will be trying to do is, so I will try to create a new project, something like mkdir git hyphen reflogs. Okay, so I am creating a new folder. So cd hyphen git hyphen reflogs. Okay, so now what I will try to do is, so now let's init this one. So git init. So initialize this one. Now here I will create. So now what we'll try to do is we'll try to create some features. Okay, so let's create something like vi features. So or otherwise what I can do is touch features dot features dot txt. So I have created one file and let's try to add it. So I am committing it, git commit hyphen m. So create features file. So now here, so I have created new feature file. So now whatever the features I am going to create, so let's try to write it here. So now let's think that I am trying to implement a feature one. So I am trying to implement the feature one. So what I will try to do, so here features.txt I will open. So here creating something like what I can do is implemented feature one. Okay, so I have implemented the feature one. I am committing this code. Okay, so now what I will try to do, so w save. So I have saved here. Now git commit, so add it and also write a comment that implement, so implement feature one. So we have implemented the feature one. Let's try to see the log hyphen one line. Now here we have see, so first commit is nothing but creating a features file, and now the second commit is the implementing a feature file, feature one. Now if I try to go to the reflogs, what I can say, reflog show master. So here you will be able to see that, okay, initial commit is made, that is create feature file, and also another one is there, commit is there, so implement feature one. Now what I will try to do, so I will try to implement another feature. So features.txt. So here I am implemented feature 2. Okay, so that's it. So now I have implemented the feature 2 also. So now what I can do here, so let's try to see. So now let's try to commit this one. So commit hyphen am. So implement feature 2. Okay, so we have implemented the feature. So I have committed the code. So git log hyphen one line. If I try to check, so now we are having implement feature 1 and implement feature 2. So somehow I came to realize that the feature 2 what I have implemented is a wrong one. So I need to remove that feature. So how can we remove that feature? So I want to remove that feature from my project. So how can I remove that project? So what we'll try to do, so here git log hyphen one line. So we here, this is the commit which is having this implement feature 2. Now I will remove this one and I will go to this commit, so that feature 2 will be remitted, it will be deleted. So here what I will do here, git reset the commit. Okay, paste the commit and I will do the hard. So automatically, so it will move to the feature one. So if you try to check here the logs, so now the implement feature 2 commit has been gone and we are able to see the latest commit is the implement feature 1. If I open features.txt file, so we are having only the feature 1 implementation, feature 2 implementation is gone. So like this we can remove the feature. So like this we can move from one feature to another feature like this. But immediately what the project manager has stated, okay, yeah, you have what you have implemented, the feature 2 is fine, so please get back that feature 2. So if you ask like that means, so now where can I get this one? So for example, if I clear it this one, so if I try to check the log hyphen one line, so here I am not able to find that commit. So implement feature 1 is only there, so implement feature 2 I am unable to find the commit. So where can I get back this commit? So in this scenario, the reflogs concept will be very useful. So now whatever the things you have did, so these all the things will be stored in the reflogs. So now here I can do something like get reflog show master. So if you try to see the show master, here you will be able to see that here I am having that commit implement feature 2. So here we are having the commit. So as this commit is an orphan, so that is the reason this in the git log online it is not related to the master. But in the reflogs, every activity will be stored. So that means when you have made that commit feature 2 and what is that commit hash, everything will be saved. So now you can take this one, okay, you can copy this one and you can do something like git reset and here paste it and here you can do the hard. Okay, now if you try to see the git log hyphen one line, so you'll be able to see that implement feature 2 has been came. So this is how we will be maintaining. So now if I try to check the vi features.txt, so we got the implement feature 2 also. For example, see, if I try to implement the another feature, something like implemented feature 3. Okay, I have implemented the feature 3. So you need to understand one thing, that in that feature 3 only, apart from feature 2 only, we are adding this feature 3. So now we have added this feature 3. Okay, so now I am adding git commit -am. So what I can do, implemented feature 3. Okay, so I have committed this one. So now if I try to check the git log hyphen one line, okay, so we got the implement feature 1, implement feature 2 and also implemented feature 3 also is there. So now somehow I went to the reset here. Okay, copy and here git reset. So here I can paste it and I can do the hyphen hard. So I went to the first feature. So now if I try to see git log hyphen one line, both the feature 2 and feature 3 has been removed. The commit has been removed. But if I try to see the features.txt, okay, so in this features.txt, I am able to see that implement feature 1 is only implemented. So feature 2, feature 3 is gone. So now what I need to do, so in order to get that feature, so now I can check the reflog. Okay, show master. So here we are having everything. So commit implemented feature 3. So now here you will be able to see that implemented feature 2. If you want only feature 2, you can go back to this one. So master 2, copy and git reset master @4, right, 4 hyphen hard. So you will get only the feature 2. So git log hyphen one line. If you try to see, I am getting only the feature 2. So if I want to feature 3 also, so what I can do, so you can directly, so for example, see what I will try to, I will go back to here again. So now I will go back to here again, copy and git reset. Okay, I can do something like, no need to copy. So here I can head 0 and head tilt 1, right, head tilt 1, I can go like this. So now it is in the feature 1. So now if I want to get both the feature 2 and feature 1, means what I need to do, git reflog show master. So here I can do something like implement feature 3. So if I take this commit, automatically feature 2 commit also will come. So let's try to do it. So git reset master @3, okay, hyphen hard. So I moved it to implement feature 3. If I try to check the git log hyphen one line, so we will be able to see that implement feature 2 and implement feature 3, both the commits has been came. So this is how we can get back the commits. So normally if you reset, means you will not able to find in any logs. So where you can find it is, you can find it only in the reflog. So that in the reflog you can use that master reset thing and you can get back all those lost commits. So if you need to remember that if 90 days after 90 days you want to get back, means you cannot get back. So the commit hash and everything will not be there. So you cannot get back the commits. So you can get back the commits only when there are 90 days prior only. And also we have seen that @ and the tilt. So you need to understand the @ and the tilt. @ for the reflux we will be using, and the tilt is nothing but in the master branch, in the reference, when you want to move back to the commits, you can go back. So but in the @ means there no need to be commits. So it can be something like branch shifting also, you can expect like that. So this is the real-time scenario how we can get back the lost commits by using the reflogs. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.